So guys, I'm here again with Renault Talisman, and for Renault Talisman, comparing with for some older models, it's very easy to replace the air filter. So I bought this one, the Bosch. This is some sort of part number. They're different price. You can get even this for $5. I got mine more expensive. But to replace it, just pull this upwards. It's out. And when you change oil, you as well can change the filter. So let's see how it's mine. Looks like really dirty. Yep, this seems quite a bit dirty here. And just take a new one out. Check if it's kind of same. Looks like they are same. And then just install it as it was before. Fits nice in. And then just slide it inwards. Make sure this fits in nice. Yeah, see, like all the sides. If it doesn't slide in easy, then probably problem there. And then just pop it close. You see, open and close. That's it. That's how you replace the air filter for Renault Talisman.